Oh, Dad, I love him. Jack, Jack. Oh gosh. You okay? Take a breath. You kicking? You want cereal? Here's some cereal. Yay! Jack, Jack. Swallow. You boy, Bubba's? You boy, Bubba's? Jack, Jack.
Slobber. Hi.
Oh, 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 oh. Good. Oatmeal cereal. I think you're getting a little full. You're doing pretty good. You're almost finished this bowl. You only have like 3 scoops left. Food coma. Maybe we shouldn't even give you any more. Maybe we shouldn't. Can I eat your cereal?